Focus, Frostbrain. This, right here, is Jamaica. Sunshine, beaches, zero snow, our destination.
But it's warm. No snow forts, no icicles, no sleds.
Exactly. Warm, dry, not this blizzard outside.
I like
Tastes
the blizzard.
crunchy.
Morning, folks. Passports, please.
Here you go.
Morning. Great day for crossing, huh?
Sit tight.
He's nervous. Just ignore him.
You're all set. Welcome through. Gates up.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Ah, this is the best. So many smells, so much wind.
So much noise. My ears are gonna fall
Horns
off.
are just part of the symphony.
It's not a symphony, it's torture.
You gotta leave.
Here we go, hot off the griddle. Enjoy, folks.
Oh, wow, look at that, it's beautiful.
Breathe, please. It's only bacon.
Only bacon? This is art.
Art that requires a napkin.
Top you off with coffee?
Please, thank you.
Feel that ocean breeze, big guy? It's like the island's already saying hi.
Breeze? Feels like I'm walking through soup, wearing a blanket.
You gotta lean in, Husky. Heat's a vibe if you let it be.
My vibe is melting.
Good thing we're one ocean hop from Jamaica. You'll cool off.